How to stop violin plot cutting off outliers or extreme values. I have a seaborn violin plot on the left, and matplotlib on the right. As you can see, matplotlib removes some values/data, even with show extrema equals true or false, that has no effect. How do I make matplotlib use violin plot to keep those values?
The range over which the cadet is plotted for a matplotlib violin plot is the range of input values. This is defined pretty deep in the code, so there is no easy option to change that. In contrast, the seaborn violin plot allows to have some good control over the cadet range. By default, it expands the shown cadet curve by twice the bandwidth of the cadet on each side of the plot. This is steered by the cut argument to sns.violinplot, cut equals 2, which defaults to 2. If you set cut equals 0, you will obtain the same as the matplotlib violin plot. Together with the option to manually choose the cadet bandwidth as float, sns.violinplot ... bw equals 0.2, cut equals 2, you have a very good control over how the violin plot is displayed. In conclusion, just use the seaborn violin plot if you need fine-grained control over the range of the cadet curve.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.